Well, guess they were right. All of them consensus was the left side. My wife kept telling me, it's the left side. I kept saying, right side. Noise travels. She said, it's coming out from underneath your feet. And it really wasn't that bad, that wheel bearing. So when I go home for lunch, I'm going to tell her it was the right side. But we're all going to know it was the left side. I just threw it away. See, I just did a video. For some reason, it's upside down. So we can't view it. So I'm going to reshoot this. Got to put the tools away. Got to go to work. Was that side. Got some work to do on this lawnmower right here. All sorts of good stuff going on, I guess. There's a wheel bearing right there. I threw it away in the other video. Brake job on the Dodge. Another starter on a Cub Cadet. Master cylinder on that little Ford outside. We already covered that. Coil wasn't right on this, but it wasn't really the coils. It was dirt over the coils that were existing there. They got like a photosonic electronic one on this that was kind of like got a seal over it, plastic seal, like a camera lens almost. And I cleaned them up. There was about a half an inch, quarter of an inch of grime and dirt and dust and oil that had gone on it over the last 7 years, and made it so it wouldn't fire on one side. So put new plugs in it, didn't make any difference, so we changed that, and now it's fine. A little bit of work, drive belt, and a lawnmower belt, some blades, and an oil change and a grease, and I'm going to have to, this is the one or not. No, this one's the good one. The other one, there's an identical one to this, and I got to rebush the front wheels. I did this one last year. So, can't goof off anymore. Guess I'm going to have to go to work. Not sure why that video shot upside down. I may put it up just to see if anybody comments on my upside down video. Wow, military, look at that. Wow, that's a big low boy. Another one right there. I'm well protected today. Look at that. Isn't that just the coolest? See, we're not rural New York. We do get a little civilization up here. Here comes another one. Look at this one. And this looks like a fuel truck, maybe. Not sure. Got a nice wave from the guy. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I think I covered that in the other one. Metal to go on the floor of that. Mini bike. I think I covered that. You'll see it, it's all upside down. I'm not very good at videos. Wish I knew how. Oh, I hear the air pump kick on. This was the throttle. This is what that kid was using for a throttle. We're going to modify that. Put a new chain on it, and I got a new clutch for it. We're changing this assembly all over. And they did put an on-off switch on it, which I'm glad they did, because they probably would have used it. So, new throttle, hand throttle. And I got to get my tools picked up. Got to get a shower and get to work. And that's about it. Rototiller, carburetor kit. I think I covered that. And what else? Can't remember what I did in the other one. It was like 5 minutes ago, so you can't expect me to remember anything. I'm old. A lot of traffic. A lot of traffic. Okay, thanks.